It's Christmas in July. Hey guys, so excited. We have a great product to share with you. We have received in the mail, look at this beautiful package, our new floor mats for our EKKO, and they are from Feral Creature Comforts. We cannot wait to get this open, get them laid out, and get them in the van and show you what they look like. The first step is gonna be unwrapping these beauties and laying them out so they can get flat. Wow, these feel really nice. Kind of foamy back to it, so it's not just the front woven side. The back has a bit of cushion to it. I think this is gonna feel great on our feet inside the van. Nice. And the color is beautiful. The edges look great. I am so excited to get these laid out and in the van. He hooks them together with Velcro, so when you're installing or removing, you can take out just a smaller section, like if you needed to hose it down, something spilled. It makes it easier so you're not having to wrangle a whole huge floor mat. You can take out sections, but it still stays hooked together and very flat on the floor. It's really smart. This is the section, obviously, that goes around the table pole. And again, Velcro, so you could just unvelcro this and get it up from underneath the table without having to take your table out, which is super smart because obviously this is one that you have a high chance of having spills or food on, that you might want to take it out and hose it off. This is going to make it super great, super easy. And it comes with snaps for install. These are for the steps at the front door. You can quickly install these. It is optional, but it keeps those smaller pieces very secure in your high traffic area. Comes with the instructions on how to do it. Step by step, very easy, very convenient.
Welcome back, Wanderers.
We are so excited to introduce you to Feral Creature Comforts.
And what does Feral do?
They are making super high quality, affordable floor mats for your EKKO or your other vehicles. Mark Boring is Feral Creature Comforts. Shout out to Mark. He is making floor mats that rival the best on the market right now.
So what we've got going right now is just the standard basic interior that comes with the Winnebago EKKO. And it's good.
It's great. It's easy to clean, but you sometimes you come back, you've been at the lake, you've been hiking, even just been walking around the city, your feet are dirty, your shoes are dirty. You're bringing stuff in. You can't just hose off the floor.
No.
You're going to soak your house. Shouldn't do that.
No.
You can sweep it really easily, but having mats that you can pull out, hose off, and put right back in is just something, you don't know how valuable that is until you have them.
Well, my question is, how easy is it to install these?
Well, let's find out. So first thing, he has made it so that the mats go together with Velcro. This one has the circle cut out for the table. It's a mat by itself. And this is really smart because obviously underneath your table is an area prime for spills.
Yes.
Right? Whether you're eating, drinking, you do a lot of stuff around the table. So being able to take this one mat out by itself, maybe wash it off, let it dry, put it back, super smart.
How's the backing?
So it is actually, it's got a lot of squish to it. I think you can see my finger
like
imprints.
memory foam, right?
It is a little bit. So it's going to add a little cushion to the floor.
Right.
But the most important feature of this is that this will dry in just a couple minutes. It is designed not to absorb water or liquids. So if you do have a spill, it's not going to soak into this backing. It stays right on top. You can dry it, take it outside, hose it off. Just a few minutes, it will be dry and ready to put back in the van.
So it's better than something like WeatherTech because, yes, WeatherTech you can take out and also hose off, but it's not like easy on your feet and soft and nice, right?
So this is going to create a nice floor that's going to feel good to walk on in your bare feet.
Right.
It's also going to protect your floors and make it easy to clean.
All right, let's check it out.
We're going to go right underneath. We're gonna get it lined up right there. It slides in. As you can see, it's got the hole cut out for our table, which is nice. It fits perfectly in this space. That goes under there. This is gonna hook around and Velcro down. All right, so I'm just gonna flip this. A piece that goes all the way back up underneath the seat there. I have the piece that Velcros right here. So it goes around the table, nice and flat. And then a little piece that fits right behind the passenger seat. We put our window shades right behind our passenger seat, so they fit right there like that. Good to go.
All right, now what?
Front door, perfect fit. Look at that.
That was easy.
That was super nice. It comes with snaps. So if you want to secure this particular piece so it doesn't move around a lot, there are snaps that you can install. But for now, let's keep rolling.
Let's go. So here you can see the difference. Mat, no mat. Mat, no mat.
So this is 2 pieces. It's already hooked together by Velcro.
That was done because of shipping. It's a lot easier to ship that way.
Exactly. But what this does is as I put it down, if I wanted to take out just one piece at a time, I can easily do that. So we're putting down our main component, which is the one that covers the area as you walk in, and it also covers the hallway back to the bedroom. As you can see, these 2 pieces are Velcroed together so they don't slide around, but if you only wanted to take one of them out, you could to clean it, or just to make it easier, right, to move them around. It goes right under the bathroom door. So to make these all work really easily together, we have some Velcro strips. So take it off. And I can Velcro this right to this. Yeah, I think that'll make my life slightly easier. Get it on one side and we're hooked together.
That was like butter.
Super easy, super clean, gives you a really nice look. But if you have to remove them, right, I can take them apart.
Right.
And make it easier to get it in or out. All right, so we have our whole walkway is filled. Underneath our table, also covered. Last pieces are our steps that lead up to the bed. So we have the top one, and then our 2 bottom ones. Nope, there we go. Just figure out which one goes where, size-wise.
Do they tuck under?
Yep. Let's get them flat. It does. There we go. See, it goes just like that. And smooth as could be. It doesn't cause any issues with opening or closing, which is really nice. Fits the stairs perfectly. I would just like to take a moment and comment. I'll show you on the color. Feral Creature Comforts offers 6 different colors. All of them are great.
We had a hard time.
We had a really hard time choosing.
There's one really cool blue one. It's not blue, but it's got a little blue in it.
It's got some blue threads running through it. We went with what's called mushroom.
Yes.
Which is in the same tone as what the floor comes with.
It's not too far off of that.
It really isn't, which actually makes it very nice because like back here on the front of our stairs, right, you still have that original that comes with the van.
Right.
So having something that's in the same family looks great. It matches the cabinet colors really nicely. If you are in need of floor mats, floor coverings for your van, you need to get yourself some Feral Creature Comforts. These floor mats are so well made. They are easy to install. They are easy to clean. They are durable, will last a really long time, and are going to make your whole van experience just that much better. If you are interested, the link is in our description. And if you want to see them in person, join us at the Van Expo coming up in Tucson or the Van Expo coming up in Lake Tahoe. We will be at both. You can come see our EKKO, take a tour, touch them, feel them, love on them, whatever you want to do, but don't miss it. Mark is making just a great product, and he's one guy. He is making each of these by hand. He measures the template 2 or 3 times to make sure that he has the exact measurements for each type of van that he's making floor mats for.
He has an RV dealer next to him where he goes and checks out
Yep.
all the RV floor plans that he's making these for, and he gets them down to a T.
And as we all know, as van owners, no two vans are exactly the same. Even if you have the same van as your neighbor, it's slightly different.
That's right.
Thank you, Winnebago.
That's right.
So he measures 2 or 3 at the RV dealer so that he can make sure he is getting the right dimensions that will work for all of them. So he's making them, he's shipping them out. You saw our unpacking video. It came wrapped so nice, so there's no damage in shipping, but it just came in a tube, so it wasn't a crazy big box or anything like that. It was so easy to install. He's doing customer service one-on-one with you. We talked to him on the phone. He helped us pick the colors. He really wants you to get a product that's going to work for you in your life. And so if for some reason you're not happy, he's the guy you're going to talk to. He's going to make it right. So far, it has been nothing but amazing. So we're happy to have you come through our van, see these Feral Creature Comfort floor mats, Tucson or Lake Tahoe, and get yourself a set. Also, we got the back end set. So we have our stairs in front of our bathroom all the way up to our driver's seat. But Mark is making a set for the front as well. And given how wonderful we think these ones in the back are, I think we're probably going to be getting a front set pretty darn soon. Stay tuned.